Alright, how's it going everybody? My name's Liam Lonergan, coming to you live from my backyard, and I'm here to let you know that I have a song coming out April 11th. It's called Without Goodbye. It's going to be on pretty much every streaming platform you can think of. I'm super proud of this song. I'm super excited for y'all to hear it. If y'all have seen me play live recently, you probably heard me play it a couple times. A huge shout out to Mr. David Vest and Anthony Blackston for helping me with this project. And yeah, with all that being said, please like this video, please share it, please comment, letting me know what you think about it. Drop me a follow, go follow those guys. And here's a little sneak peek of the song. Hope you like it. Have a good one.
I could be the man you've always wanted. You'd still walk away without goodbye. I know that your memories are haunted. 'Cause the more that I say that I love you, for the more that you say